Today I share with you all you need to know to make a perfect spring roll. This time around, you don't need to go to shop to learn how to make this, when you can easily make this in the space of your kitchen. Even say na business you wan take this one do, guys, it's going to help you and everything you need to know to make a perfect spring roll that is not going to burst or open its eye during the frying process. Let me show you how to get this done. To begin, we are going to be needing flour, and then we make use of 3.5 cup of all-purpose flour. After adding the flour, next thing is to add in is just salt. So once you add in the salt, all you do is to mix that together. Next is to add in now is water. It's going to be a normal cold water that you easily drink, so not hot water, guys, just normal cold water. And then use that to mix the dough until you have a very nice and strong dough. I'm going to transfer that back to the wall surface and then keep on mixing. This mixing process is always very important. You have to mix so that your dough is going to come out strong and nice. So don't over add in water, and then you are going to have this perfect dough after everything. So now the dough is ready. All I do now is to divide the dough into little bite size like this. So I'm going to use my cutter to cut that into little shape until everything is cut and then come out perfect like this. Then I'm going to tie it into little ball sign until everything tie and come out nice like this. So once you achieve this, all you do is to take the ones aside and take one of it and then use your roller to roll until you have this white shape. Just a little white shape like this. So once you achieve something like this, you keep it aside, then do all of it like this until everything come out perfect like this. So at this point, I'm done rolling everything. Next is to add in oil on top of the dough like this. Just take oil and use it to rub all over the body, and take the next one and add it on top of it, and then use oil to rub all over the body. So this is how you are going to arrange everything until you arrange all of it like this. So just keep it on top of each other and then you have it now. So once everything is done, you are going to take your roller to roll everything until it come out very flat like this. So you keep on rolling until it's going to come out very flat like this. So once you achieve this, so what you do now is to take any round plate around you. So once you have that round plate, use it to put and then cut it around like this. So this is how you are going to cut it for you to get this amazing shape. Then cut the other side. Me, I cut my twice like this. So once I cut it, and then this is what I have. So open and you are going to have this gorgeous. It looks so nice at this point. So yeah, this shape is good to go. So once you achieve this shape, all you do now is to take this to the hot pan. Over here we have hot pan. You don't need to add the oil in the pan, just add it like that. All you do is just to be turning the other side, and then this don't have to be on high heat. It's just going to be on medium heat, and the center you have to dey beside for you to be turning it like this. So at this point, you don't bother to be opening it at this point. So now it's hot. So what you do now is to allow everything to done and do not allow it to burn. So once it's done like this, you are going to keep it on a plate and then cover it with this kitchen towel. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Then you are going to do the next one the same way. Just turn the other side until it's done and come out perfect like this. So once this one done again, if you notice now, you can see that it's bringing those small shape that you can easily open it. But now you don't need to open, just cover it again for 10 minutes to get rest. This is 10 minutes later. I have opened one of it, and then this is the second one. So this is how you are going to open it. Very easy. But once it's cold like this, it's going to easily open easily. It's not going to stick together. You are going to easily drag it out like this. This is what you have, and then it comes out so nice. Just like this, we are going to be dragging it out. It's not going to tear, it's not going to stick together. Just let it to go, and once it's go about 10 minutes, you just be opening it like this, and you are going to have this perfect and gorgeous tortilla for your spring roll. Just see how gorgeous this look like. This is just how you get your tortilla done for your spring roll. Once you achieve this type of tortilla, trust me, your spring roll is not going to tear during the frying process. This is just the perfect tortilla you need for your spring roll. Next is to prepare the filling. Over here we have this chicken breast. So adding the chicken breast in the pan, you don't need to add in oil. Just adding the chicken breast direct to the pan, and then keep on breaking the chicken until everything break and come out perfect like this. So once you achieve this, all you do now is to allow the water that come out from the chicken to first of all dry about 10 minutes before you proceed. 10 minutes later, this fries so nice, and at the same time the water have get dry. Next thing to do is to add in pepper, and then add in salt to taste, then add in chicken cube. You can use any spice of your choice, and then keep on frying this until this pepper fry again for another 5 minutes before you proceed. Just allow the chicken and spices to fry for 5 minutes. Next to add in is this red bell pepper, yellow and green bell pepper, and onions. Then before that, I'm going to get that slice into little slice like this. So slicing these bell peppers, you have to slice it very tiny. You don't have to let this too big. Just slice it very tiny until you have this gorgeous shape. So this one is me slicing the green, and then that's the way I slice the red bell pepper, and then everything come out perfect. So don't over slice it that big, and then you are going to have this gorgeous. Next is to slice the onions, and then we have it. Have you shared this recipe? So sweetie, you need to share. You don't need to go to shop to learn where they get this done. This is just the best and the easiest way you can save this video and practice this for yourself. Did you know you can use this to do any kind of business of your choice? Now we are going to be adding coriander for more flavor. This gives it a very good flavor, and I just love the scent of this coriander. At this point, this get fried and it come out so nice and perfect. Now you are going to turn off the heat, and then we have it. This is how your filling have to look. You don't have to stick together. You have to have this gorgeous filling. It looks so yummy. Now I have already wrapped part of it, and let me show you how to get this wrap. Next, you are going to take your tortilla and then take in the filling, adding 2 spoons of each, so that once you open it, you are going to have a whole lot of filling inside the tortilla. So I add in 2 on each one, and then cover like this. So just follow my hand and see how you get this cover. So now that you roll it about 3 to 4 times, then before you reach the end like this, you are going to take batter. So what we mean by batter is just when you take the same flour and then add in water, and then that is called batter. Then use the same batter to rub all over the edge, and then roll it around. So this is going to enable that nut to open its eye during the frying process. And then anyone that come out again, use your hand now to just push it inside, and you have it. Have you share this recipe? Like, have you shared? This is so perfect. Like, I'm so happy to get this done. Like, during this frying process, guys, you are going to love it. Now you are going to be needing oil, and then it's going to be hot oil. Once it's hot, just adding all the spring roll inside the oil and let this to get fried. Like, you are going to have fun frying this. Like, you don't need to even bother, hey, at this point it's going to open its eye, or it's going to burst inside the oil. No, once you follow this my recipe, guys, just go and fry your spring roll. It's not going to tear inside the oil. Like, you are not going to see your filling inside oil. Like, it's not going to tear. As you keep it like this, this is how it's going to fry and then come out perfect. All you need to do is just to be stirring it around. Like, once you are stirring it, everything is going to be frying, and then you are going to have gorgeous and mouth-watering spring roll ever. Look at that. So this is 2 minutes of frying. You can see that the color is changing, and the same time it still never open its eye. Like, it can never open its eye. Your tortilla can never burst if you follow this recipe. It can never burst. Like, at this point it has dried so perfect. Like, look, the color have changed at this point, and then you did not see any filling inside the oil. Like, that is why you have to follow this recipe and make amazing spring roll. It's not going to tear. Like, you don't have to bother, nothing to tear here. Like, you are going to bring your spring roll and come out strong and perfect. See how gorgeous this look. See how gorgeous this look. This is just so delicious and very best way you can ever make your spring roll. Any occasion they are doing around you, if you know how to get this done, trust me, you are going to be their vendor that is going to supplying them this spring roll. I still have a video of how to make samosa, because this is what follow anything Sumo Chop. If you know how to make your spring roll, the same time know how to make samosa, trust me, you are going to be doing amazing business from Sumo Chop. So share this recipe and get this done for yourself. Everyone around you that eat this with you is going to appreciate you. All you need to do is to share for others to see. Look at inside. It feels so nice. Everywhere is so filled up. I love you. My next one. Bye.